everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafter.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm bringing you another men's concept that I worked on today. And these are super cute. These are the other lanterns that I told you I was going to do today in my last video. Alright, so I have done them. And that's what these are looking like. They're super cute. So what I have in here is a smartwatch and some underwear. That's it. That's it, y'all. I ain't put nothing else in this basket. And I did 2 of these because I had 2 of these containers. Alright, and there's a smartwatch with the underwear. Alright, and this is what I will have one pair of the underwear out there for them to see. But this is what they look like. Alright, it's a size large. Alright, and then the smartwatches are the ones that I showed y'all there in my community post. And I talked about them on my live. I got those from Temu. So those had very, very good prices on them. Alright, and they're very nice. So this is the smartwatch with the underwear. And that will be one and done. So I will come back to you with the next one. In the meantime, in between time, you all be blessed. But most importantly, continue to be a blessing, y'all. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafter.